Hi guys, Phasic here from Phasic's Bonsai World, welcoming you to my world of bonsai. Today I'm going to be working on my Ficus Benjamina miniature or nana. We're going to repot it. It's growing out of its pot. As you can see, the roots are right on the edge, really curling around the root, around the pot. But as you can see, it's a really great surface roots that I have. So we're going to pot it into this other pot that I have for many years. Only cost 85 Rand back then. So here we go. I'm going to clean it up for now, clean it out. It is quite a small stubby tree, but looks cool. Let's get these weeds out. I didn't weed it because I was going to repot it. But we're first going to repot and then clip it. It's been in this pot for many years, at least over 10 years easily. So if anyone says you must repot every 2 or odd years, it's not necessary if the tree is growing fine. If the tree starts struggling, then I would say yes, repot it. But if it's not, then why bother? It's really is overkill to repot it too often. Just dealing with the wire, the plastic mesh. That also helps push the tree out. But more than one use. And it should come out. Maybe not. Oh, here it comes.
So a bit more in.
Okay. Thank you, pot. We'll use you for another tree. Doesn't look too bad, but like that other ficus, it needs space to grow. So it has run out of space. There's roots, but very minimal roots. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a loosening up here. As you can see, very shallow obviously, but there is roots, which is good. Lots of fine roots, so I'm not going to do any root pruning. What comes off with the fork or the raking is what's going to be pruned. As you can see again, the really big roots that have grown are right at the edge, so taking a bit of a deeper pot and a bigger pot was a good call. Oh, just going to pull those off there, that's the only, it's definitely going to be better in there, yes. Okay, and leave that like that. Oh, sorry, just soil's everywhere at the moment. Quick clean up. So that came out quite quickly. Okay, so in the meantime I've cleaned the pot a bit, put mesh. That's how I tie it in, if you can see that. So I'm going to grab a nice, I want to find my front Oops, that's just the front. Grab some soil here. Okay, that's all my lovely mix of some normal potting soil, silica sand, perlite, pine bark, vermiculite. Yeah, that's it.
Take that. They fill it up. I switch off. Bring back. Bring the pot
Yeah.
there.
Why? We're only going to do a bit and then say we're coming back.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm just going to prep the pot further and we'll come back just now when we put the tree in, and then I'll see you now. Welcome back, guys. Okay, so I prepped the pot. I put some soil in the bottom, fitted it in. I've filled it with soil. I think it looks really good. It's almost done. That's the back. That's the front. We're going to give it a clip in shortly. I'm going to put some of my favorite gravel in. Do that quickly. New bag for my gravel. I have to do a hell of a lot of cutting with this now. Last little bit of gravel. Sturdy. Okay. Okay, let's give her a clipping. Okay, so what I did was before, or the spring, I also defoliated the tree. You'll see that this is all a lot of dieback, ficus dieback, but it also shot and back budded very well. So let's clip the unnecessary. Where's my eyes? I'll just snip off the dirt. Be a bit careful, not everything's dirt. Okay, so what we can have out here, that we can have like that. This is the back, correct? Oh, so that's going to have to go because that's looking facing down. Like that for the time being. Let's get rid of all that necessary nooks and crannies. So it actually didn't die back that bad. Quite surprising. Actually what died back would have probably been cut in any case. So that looks really cool. Let's drop it a bit. Oh, there we go, that's about it. This is a nice little kind of gin, natural gin, and it just kind of stunted. It's just how it happened. I didn't do it, just died like that, and now it's a little stumpy, but it's cute. Oh, so that's about it. So obviously I'll need to water it thoroughly. Quite a quick one. So let's do a spin. So that's your front. That's your front. The nice canopy forming there. Your side. Your back. Either use this probably or this. I'll leave it. It can always be wired. Other side, which maybe needs something at some stage. And back to the front. Awesome, guys. Thank you. I'll soon post another one. Keep well.